Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. We've been promised you that before we go, say, our ogbonge visitor, Oga Auditor Sunday, dey with us inside studio. And he go chook mouth for inside all of the discussion we dey discuss. I go just keep am short and simple, sake of saying already sit down already. He na investigative journalist, that is to talk, say, they say all the clothes when they wear, na big one. Why? Because it dey carry am. Cover camera and pencil and biro and book when they always they carry. He own na to find the essence of every story and bring them out to Nigerians. Every time when I see them, the first thing when they come to my mind, now conscience nurtured by truth. Oga Auditor Sunday, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you very much, Oga Chukwudi.
Oga Sunday, welcome, Jerry.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you inviting me.
And we thank you, say you carry waka come. Oga Sunday, no waste time, we'll just go straight into our discussion. We don't carry 5 stories come, we'll go take them from the first one. The first one get to do with the rerun for inside River State. Since the 2015 general elections, when people don't describe as relatively peaceful, based on, say, going into these elections, they be right and say, hey, this election will be like, say, na extra time or injury time in Nigeria day. But we get Oga Presido at the time when vow say nobody go buy because of his ambition. And we see, say, the election go the way when it go. In fact, plenty people even wound based on, say, that they celebrate, say, somebody win the election than even the election day proper. Now, I want to ask this question. What we go talk about the situation for River State? Shey na act of desperation by politicians or the fact say we no fit ever get election for this country make violence no dey?
No, I no fit agree with you. Say we no fit say we dey do violence during election. Even the almighty last presidential election, you see any violence?
Nothing.
This particular one, why it hot? Even many people, what do they call watchers, pundits, don't talk am. Say it go hot. Why it go hot? APC, no they get things sillily for National Assembly. Due to say because PDP won near them for
the number of people they
that even that their majority status they very slim. So Naim be the real cocoa will cause this thing. They won't use this opportunity for River State, being say that's why they empower many of them will be the Rivers politician, which they hear them carry Nimasa DG give Peter side. Amechi
minister.
Shebi when Amechi be governor, in talk say minister not be anything. But now he don't become minister and then won't begin the rub shoulder. I know the whole brief for anybody. I know the whole brief for PDP. I know the whole brief for APC. But what in there be say why he become do or die be say pundits discover say this one APC won't use them as opportunity to grab this thing and beef up their.
But Oga Sunday, if I go ask you this question, you say why this one they very important now because of the leading party won't take.
No, why he lead to
the crisis with this
now
because of the leading party won't do it. One needs to say then grab all the position with it so that at least you go feel increase
to
their
beef up their
but
status
then,
for National Assembly.
Make also bear in mind say even during the general election, Rivers now one of the major states. As a matter of fact, if not the only the major state where we say crisis play out, where we say we even lead to casualties and death.
You know go rule out the power of the governor and the power of immediate past governor.
Okay, but so where they bring my question.
Okay.
If going by what we don't see for the last election, and maybe our president and the security would also say, okay, this election where they enter now, it go day too tough. Make we increase our security. They can't beef in River State with 6,000 policemen. Where it is say the lapses go come from? Why we say with 6,000 men, we not still feel hold. At least they not still feel hold that grant to ensure say at least free and fair election play out.
You send the 6,000 men, say make them go they shoot. You now presence, you now security presence, you put them now. You not
but to also have ensure
you say make them avert. You get people when it be say men for these politics as them see them as do or die. Even when you shoot, they
no go wrong.
They go perpetrate their electoral violence or electoral malpractice wey dem wan perpetrate. Because dem see am as do or die. And another thing again na ethnicity. You know the way politics don take arrange for Nigeria now. E dey very ethnicity dey play role. That is tribalism. When you come to Southwest, APC. When you come to this place. So the Niger Delta people don't see them too. Say, man, this is our heritage.
Our own heritage.
We no go give
another ethnic
another this thing. So if you look at now, Niger Delta is purely a PDP affair. But like for my state now, Delta, no party will go say, even if say you pumping billions. No,
but
no,
as long
no
as,
party
as long as the individual,
except this ruling party PDP and the PDP go feed dominate for.
But go as long as the individual,
because everybody don't see this thing as ethnic or something.
But wait, as long as the individual where they contest for this state, be member of that community, member of that particular state, we say in own language no different from waiting that they speak for that place. It is an issue about ethnicity, or rather, just going by, we could also lead up to the next topic we'll talk about, say, make them do it, make them also reduce politicians' money, at least you go fit curb all this violence or the experience. Where Ogabo and Bruce talk. If you say, no, she noticing that because of that thing, where they say now be waiting the cause all this rather than say okay now because of one kind of thing ethnicity thing. She notice now because of say waiting they involved for politics.
Money dey, money dey, but you no go rule out ethnicity. If you reduce money where politicians.
People go show interest. People no go show interest that much.
People go the people will go show interest now. People will want serve. People will go show interest now. People will want serve. Like now when you dey school, when they look for class rep. Any profit they there that they pay on a salary. You go discover say the competition not they too they hot. You go just and not be they be do or die, they not they kill themselves. You understand now? So the class rep election, you go see say they're not they hot. But when you come SUG election, because pepper day, something they at stake. You go see say they hot. So now so it just be. I just they give you example. So if money they at stake, you go see say everybody won't go for that money with their stake.
Very true.
Like, but if money not too day much like that, people will won't serve. You not go leave your business. Most of
them be
get businesses,
top, yes.
Then get top businesses, then get international businesses. You don't go leave your business. Say make you go. Maybe they pay on annually 1 million.
Oga Sunday, you don't answer these questions and you even relate them to the fact, say, Senator Ben Moribru's been talking, say, may they reduce the money of people in the government. Say that one, you know, go to, now the money be like, say, now be the attraction to plenty people. Quickly, make we go this other one, which is very, very important. Our Ogbonge Presido before, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo come out, come talk, say, those way they ask him to account for the Abacha loot, money when belong to all of us, when we say they been talk, say the former president that time as soldier carry come up for this country, and him been use some words when they very, very derogatory. We no go talk am for here, but based on the explanation when he give, he already talk am say it gets people when we say based on say they don't collect this money, now them know as this money take go. I go like ask this question first. We go I don't speak English. We go come out the hand of Oga Presido, say okay, as he not talk say. Ask the governor of the central bank at the time. Ask the minister of finance at the time. Ask other people when we say that their responsibility. You think say we go talk say he get lesser thing to answer than these people?
You know you not get any lesser thing. No. Now he go answer everything because now be the chief commander in chief, prime minister, everything for that regime. So. If they recover loot that time, making call names of those people with their hand money to, EFCC,
of course, make references to CBN.
Make you call name, make EFCC invite them. But if you not call name, you say ask me this one at that time, ask this one at that time. As the commander in chief at that time now, say them come to tell you say we Abacha loot today, we Abacha loot day. He said we kept it in CBN. and Soludo was in charge. So I think by the time you ask
him.
Soludo some questions,
he go give answer.
They will go pick Soludo, ask him.
Now just to ask questions. So
Ask him now.
No be anything serious.
Then go ask him now.
But you think
but
say,
you know, ask minister at that time. He bogus now.
But again.
No, you know, say Baba, you know Baba now.
But in truth, if we get laws when we say we all talk say nobody dey above our law, and if they call you to serve, because the fact that you be president and are in service to people, leadership through servitude, you dey serve people, and these same people come dey tell you say okay come account for this particular thing. You think say any moral justification dey, whether Baba or no Baba, whether say okay na CBN will carry am go, but as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, the person wey be say na you dey put the full stop for government.
Another thing, you know, say government division of labor dey. Another thing, e dey because minister get freedom, get autonomy to run budget. CBN governor, get freedom to run.
But in the answerable to the
no, but now when you be saying not the power again. Those people with those sensitive positions, like now this one where they happen for arms probe, for example. If you go ask EFCC now, if you ask EFCC chairman, say Jonathan, why on not invite Jonathan? Why on never arrest Jonathan? People don't know. Jonathan, he go tell you, say Jonathan approved. They brought all these things. He approved it for that arms this thing. He approved it and handed to them. He has done his own part as the president commander-in-chief.
But
he not go they monitor them, they follow them. You understand?
No, but this case they different.
It's not different.
Now, make I explain.
So that's why they're not being invited. Because he has already approved this money.
But the former president come say in they willing to give anybody information. If they call him in go answer. And they talk say from some things when we say, so you remember say the former president
but Baba never talk say, you know.
No, this statement when he talk now, he talk say all the people when they ask these questions, he use one particular term, classify all of them, say, make we just talk and say, like person when we say head, no, they correct. Now people they talk say, even if now you do this particular thing, the fact say now you did it and then they call you to ask, why not provide these questions rather than just decide, say...
Like what I talked before, him for calling and say, look, ask this person, he go know how this money take go.
Which also, okay, this issue somehow, just as Chukwudi asked this question, say, okay, we get people who say then they above the law. If we get an ex-president who say, we just want, make we get facts from him about a particular thing, in can they give us this kind of reply? She to say, they know they try lay the kind of foundation where we won't see, because in the try prove say yes, in the above
nobody and you for Nigeria here. Then write a move for books say nobody is above the law. He did the books, but me and you for Nigeria here no say some people they above the law. Some people they break traffic light, they go free.
When
some
the law
some people they commit many things.
Anybody who commit this crime, see what they go do.
That is not the problem where they see. Like say, if anybody commit crime, even former president or former anything, or former director general, former minister, say if everybody commit crime, they go in for them. Nigeria for them they
calm.
It's part of this corruption where they talk now. Corruption not be only say you pack money now.
Very true.
Why the other climes, America and all these people, they shine? Now because law day, no matter who you be, law day now. South Africa here, not be person will go bring gold for them Olympic star. You go jail now.
I beg, make it just pause there because he will continue. We get one of our callers. They call us right now, Faye. Faye, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Faye. Faye, good morning.
Oga Faye, you did there? You be like say network no gree Oga Faye to make in. We get Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Yes, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning,
boss. Yesterday, as it dey cold, it's all hot.
Not be every matter that they talk with plenty fire.
Okay, thank you very much.
No quarrel for today.
Yeah, no problem. Make a speak man for the Rivers State election.
Okay.
As I speak now, it still beat my imagination. Say, upon all the traits, okay, let me not use traits, upon all the serious speaking, manner, the way the police take talk, say they go do this, they go do that. We go deploy 6,000, we go roll out army, we go roll out this. We still notice a lot of violence in Port Harcourt. And let me still tell you, if you look at the results so far released, one particular party, they lead by over 80%. You don't feel say that party where they lead not supposed to be the party where they cause this trouble. Because if you they win, there's no point, you'll be at the defensive side. There's no point causing violence. Maybe the other person was maybe trying to outweigh you. You will now sit back. That is on that one. Now, for the issue where our former president talk, Chukudi, I believe if you tell us this matter, if you make the report about it, make Nigerians understand the truth, the language where they take back. You see, there's no how you can run away from accountability. Good and fine. As a former president, like our guest talk, these positions are divided. There are duties. There are delegations of power and everything. But as the chief security officer, as the chief commander-in-chief of the armed forces, you are in charge. You are answerable. And you have something to say about anything at any point in time. If there is need for you to come and explain one or two things, what you need to do is this matter you're asking me, tell it to this person. Let the person come and bring all the documents. This is government. This is a continuum. Go to the fight and look at your military, your records. You cannot be able to direct accordingly where that particular issue should answer or it should come from.
Very true.
So there is no point dodging questions or using one foul language to make people believe say nothing happened. Something happened and somebody has to answer the question.
Very true. Oga Chukudi, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And not be say we no one gree talk am the way the thing be, but we just talk say e get one we go package and make plenty people not to vex. We get Baba Ghana. Baba Ghana they call us all the way from Niger State. Baba Ghana, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Kubi.
Good morning, Baba Ghana.
Mr. Chikudi, good morning.
I dey greet you, Baba Ghana.
Yeah, my issue is based on this Rivers election.
Okay, feel free.
Yeah, the election in Rivers is supposed to be cancelled. They should cancel all the election in Rivers. If INEC is ready, they will organize fresh election with test security.
Oga Baba Ghana, but we get 6,000 police officers. We get people when we say so. In fact, there be one say anybody when won't cause trouble for Rivers State say they're ready for them. But we still get this particular incident when we say they don't even come cancel 8 local government areas. You think say now just tight security be the situation?
Yes, sir. This election of River, there is many interest in it. You know, River is a catchment area of PDP. And PDP will try anything possible to get to that election. And APC too, they have a minister there and DG Nimasa, all they are there in Rivers. They want to catch that place too. So there is too many interests in Rivers. So the River election is something different entirely.
Very true. Baba Ghana, thank you very much for your important contribution. It not just be about the interest of the major players, like you don't talk, DG, the master, minister, or even the governor. It's supposed to be about the interest. NDDC. It's supposed to be about the interest of the Nigerian people when they for River State, because now them they won't go serve, or now them that they represent. We get Tega. Tega, they call us all the way from Warri. Tega, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Tega, good morning.
Tega, you there yet? People like say the network no great Tega make an important contribution. Oga Auditor, one very important question. Baba Ghana been talk about interest. But in truth, if you talk say your people call you to come serve, and at the end of the day, you can't reach there to serve them. If with all the gbege wey not happen, plenty people wound, property they destroy, people go. Who you can't they serve at the end of the day? How we go take get country where we say the interest of the Nigerian people go supersede every particular interest? You don't talk about the major players, DG Nimasa, NDDC, governor, minister, and all the people when talk say this election are do or die. If you want serve people, shey na by force. Why you want make people they suffer because you want serve them?
This thing like I take talk before. This thing battle of supremacy. They don't battle before for the tribunal level. It can be say the other side, no, the other side, that is the ruling party, which is APC. They lost that state. So this one now, the one cause Gbege. Why the one cause the Gbege now? Waiting, I don't tell you before. So that they go fit beef up National Assembly. So in short, waiting I tell them is battle for supremacy.
Okay, battle for supremacy. And make we also verify from Emeka whether you agree with Oga, what Oga Odita talk.
Now battle for supremacy.
Battle of supremacy.
Battle for
Emeka, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I dey greet your guy, Emeka.
The thing is, I won't just put mask for the matter today.
Okay.
The thing we say for Rivers election, why we say Nigeria no one tell ourselves truth. That place, that Rivers state, na PDP state. In the life, when they do this election
20 times.
double times, PDP will still win.
That is the truth.
Because the region are obvious, everybody knows the region. One, the Minister of Transport and the Yesomoke, two of them, Naikore, and two of them, they fight who will be the king. Secondly, APC won't use
supremacy.
that election, win majority, most especially state assembly, so that they go from there, if you get trouble from there, impeach Wike, because ever since the Supreme Court judgment, none of them don't get comfortable. So when things they go on like this, the Minister of Transport will be federal minister. Don't go there. Since last week Sunday, he don't go River State. He live in duty for complete 1 week. And then when they go there, don't be saying they say, vote for us, we go do like this. But anybody who won't do this, come out.
Very true.
I have come back, I'm ready.
Oga Emeka, we don't note your important
much,
point.
Emeka.
The fact say our politicians no suppose they use wetin dem dey talk. They make the situation they dey very hot. We get Blessing. Blessing they call us all the way from Port Harcourt. Blessing, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot. Blessing, you dey there? Blessing, we dey patient. They wait on top of our line. We dey very sorry. Say we no take Blessing. If you get the opportunity, abeg call us back. Make you make this your important contribution. Oga Auditor Sunday, we dey talk about battle for supremacy. Sometimes, if we dey put all this, if we dey use all these terms, dey caption election, e dey follow for even though na the way wey the situation dey, e dey follow for wetin dey cause problems. Like Oga Emeka talk, governor, serving minister when they talk say I don come back, we go show them, we go win. Governor when they talk say make people go prepare, anybody wey wan cause problem make him go prepare him will. You no think say this kind statements wey people dey make dey follow for wetin dey make election dey be like say
exactly
if we no win this election wahala go dey for this
overfollow self dey worry am. Why I thought so overfollow dey worry am be say other climes where democracy don ripe well where you go meet person, even you go tell the person vote for me. Vote for me.
You go appeal to the person.
Please vote for me. This is what I will do to change your life. This is what I will do to better your life. This is what I will do to better your life. Now be campaign. But all those campaign where we see all through last week, now say they won't do you anything. They will make una come out if they do you this, do back. All those kind of things, not be campaign. Not be campaign.
Okay. No, make I quickly. Say before this election come up, this particular rerun, we don't see cases of say the killings where just they play out for Rivers State. We say people just they die, just they kill people, and now one listener still everything still revolve around this political thing. Okay, right about we can also see leaders where we say from this same state we say somehow, but now then they also stir up this reaction. How would they get a strong institution who will feel at it, curb a situation like this, rather than they give these people this kind of lever? Where did they do it? But before you go answer that question, maybe we collect this call from Tobo. Tobo, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Tobo. Tobo, good morning. Tobo, you there? Okay, we got Stanley. Stanley, they call us from Okay, we got a caller from Ajegunle. Taye, good morning. Taye, good morning.
Taye from Ajegunle, you there? He be like say the network this morning, based on the way when the weather day, it follow for the way when we say they affect the communication flow. I beg, if you get the opportunity, call us to make this your ogbonge contribution so that the full Nigeria go hear you. Oga Auditor Nkubi been ask a question before we quickly take that call.
I want answer am. Waiting go solve all this problem. Me and all the people where they call for state police because we never ripe for state police.
Okay.
For you to have state police, you must have a very, very educated society. A society that is very, very educated. 80% educated, while 20% are not very. But as we did now, we never get society where they up to 30% educated. So state police no go work. But waiting go work and waiting many people they talk, we say, make IG not the answerable to Mr. President. Once that one happen, not be say you not go fit control them. Maybe the IGP, if IGP say na National Assembly they appoint them, or say na through judiciary then they appoint them, then
make you just say what you try to say make me say
the loyalty, that 100% loyalty to commander in chief. When the be say man
go reduce
anything where the commander in chief say make you go do. Now what you go
we get God bless. God bless. They call us all the way from Victoria Island. God bless. Good morning and welcome to RC the Hot. Good morning. God bless. I better reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you well.
Okay, sure you hear me now.
Continue. We hear you.
Okay. Well done.
Yeah,
Thank
good
you.
morning.
I said, now what happened? Now we know what happened. Because on the side the governorship election, what you not think it has been happening for Liverpool. But we thank God say they no on the side the governorship, only the Senate and the House of Assembly. But the thing I mean, say make government put enough security for ground to make sure say all these guys is not happen. And there are so many people where they say that they give us second-hand information. This way it not happen, neither they talk. You talk to some people, you talk come to give a talk to someone, they say, you know, even there, after you will see, say, this, some people will say this one. Yes. Some people will talk to this one, they happen, which is not true. Like this morning now, they did for one newspaper say, APC leader, they arrest the INEC commissioner from police hands. Police don't become kidnappers. So police, they don't kidnap the INEC commissioner when they say, na rescue, na APC rescue. So you will see PDP they said they will still get their whole fashion of story too. At the end of the day, that's like the
very, very true. Okay, God bless. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. We appreciate the fact say.
that thing we
But Oga Auditor, before you come consolidate on with Oga God bless, Doctor, we get okay in the wait for us since from worry. Oga, okay, good morning and welcome to Asiri. Thank you for your patience.
Oga, okay, good morning.
Network no be Oga okay making contribution. We sorry Oga okay. If you get the opportunity, call us back and talk for this particular matter. We go quickly rush go this small break. When we go this break, come back. We will just continue to fire down on our discussion as it get to do with all of the action story wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend when we carry come. Based on the way when it's in there, so now the rerun for inside River State now they carry first. Don't go anywhere. Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max, as it dey hot. We dey come back. Back to Aside Hot. Ezigbo Chukudi Nkubi and our ogbonge visitor, investigative journalist, Oga Auditor Sunday, the inside studio, and we dey discuss all of the action story wey happen for Obodo Nigeria from the weekend wey pass. So we talk about the rerun for inside River State and the plenty action wey happen for inside that place. We talk about the one wey we say the senator when they represent in people for Bayelsa East, Senator Ben Morebruce talk say if we want reduce do or die inside our politics system, make we reduce the salary of those when they inside government. We talk about the 2016 budget. And in fact, say Senate don't come out, come talk say that the passage of the bill, the 2016 budget, now they delay the arrest of the former EFCC Oga. I go complete the two, but we get Oga okay in the call us all the way from Enugu. Oga okay, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, okay.
Good morning, Nkubi and Auditor.
Thank you, okay.
I want to talk about the Rivers matter.
Okay, will they hear you?
In fact, one thing, somebody don't call from Owerri, talk this thing before. I don't know the time when Nigerians go begin tell themselves the truth. This election, everybody, even a blind man, knows saying that one party they hold the mantle for River State. And that party, as everything come they happen, they don't see saying that that party they hold the lead. And katakata they come from everywhere. I come they ask, what didn't make the Minister of Transport they waka up and down when the election they go on? And not be saying I be the chief security officer of the state. Minister of Transport, they go live in duty post, come they waka up and down for the whole state. They cause problem. And another question come to say, why they say since this administration enter, you never get one election where INEC conduct where they peaceful and they go conduct election Sunday morning you don't hear the results. It never happened since this very INEC take start. So now so the thing go to be. In fact, this nation, I don't know what thing people want make out of it, and they are turning it into a war zone. Things are not done that way. People should just retrace themselves and do the right thing.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. This one self now heartfelt or what we will call passionate plea to our politicians them. The truth be say, if una want serve us based on say God call una and we self talk say make una serve us, at the end of the day, if wahala happen and people get headache, who una go serve? The problem go plenty. So it go good make all this desperation and act of recklessness say I want serve my people by force or else something go happen. Make we stop them and make people take cue from our former president. He mean talk am say no ambition, nobody go because of his ambition. And we see how the 2015 general elections they go. If for 2015 we do something well, why we not fit consolidate on the things when we gain? Why it be say for the elections when we they get after 2015, it come be like say we no sabi do election again. This na something when we say we suppose they address and na something when we go talk. Oga Auditor, make we no just dwell on top of Rivers election because we believe say as we they continue we go do am. He get one very important one. This one get to do with education and he shows say corruption no be just for government. It is spread. They talk say the Joint Admission and Matriculations Board then come out to talk say it get some people when they inside them when compromise for the last exam when they do. And they talk say some people check their result on Monday, see 399, check them on Tuesday, the thing can be 199. People come they wonder how they can they do cut and join for inside JAMB results. Now one quick question: if we talk say we want make government declare state of emergency for our education system, what will be the first step when we say we go take to use say at least? Even if no be something will happen immediately, in the long run, education for Nigeria will begin to get two leg.
Well,
it tire you.
There's something tire me, but if one of the things when I feel say government go do to declare state of emergency now primary education first.
Starting from the grassroots.
Primary education, because primary education now for Nigeria, in fact, is an eyesore. Now I saw a bill, I tell you. Some teachers, most teachers where they're not qualified. They're not qualified. I mean, men should be or go one school the other time. Tell one teacher to spell something. You know, if he spell, I mean, sack him outrightly.
But then, if you talk about teachers,
whose responsibility? May them do total overhauling. Because now that primary education, 9 be foundation.
9 be foundation.
If you build house and foundation not solid, look at waiting the war will happen for Lekki the other day, the house where they build. If you build house, the house not solid, you go fall. Now this primary education we never get right. But that's why we produce people when you say them not solid.
But then if they talk say primary education, we know say other sectors of the educational both the secondary and the tertiary itself they get their own.
Now the primary 9 course now. Now because then, we never get primary right.
If they say we need to restructure, and we can't get a government to be say somehow. They ignore negligence. They play out for their own body to say, okay, make we lead this thing. Since somehow, you know, affect them because a lot of people don't come out and say, big men, a lot of our politicians they send their own picking to big school. You know, this now negligence. They cause this thing. Nobody say the people where they in charge don't know what they're supposed to.
Negligence on the part of government.
And now?
Not negligence now.
So, how then, these same people they talk say, make them repair. They go even say that they even look
that they know what they're supposed to do. But they know they do them. Those days when they grew up in the 80s, My sister do TTC, whether they call teacher training college. He do them 2 or 3 times before he pass. They fail. They fail. But these days, they fail for what do they call them? College of Education.
No.
Where you don't block. You go block your way out of school. Then you go come out. You no go get what you go to present to the pupils. True. You no go get what you go present to pupils. Many graduates they now they not even make sentence. They not even get spellings right. You understand now? So now this that time when I did primary school, during Ambrose Ali that time, then they share us books now. Then they share us pencil. Then they share us Bible for Christian religious knowledge. Then they share us things. You understand now? So education solid that time. If you go TTC, some people they fail on 3 times before they go pass them. So if you see those TTCs of those days, some of them now they don't retire. If you see those TTCs,
they qualified.
Very qualified.
Quality teachers. The TTC person will be teacher for primary school. Fee go become principal for secondary school self because of quality. But all these things, now military just dabaru everything. Now the truth be that all the problem we do, education, power, politics, anything we will face for Nigeria now. Now military put us.
But what in this government don't do so far? Because now at least we go to the continuation for
we never get government we really they willing. Say men make a come address issues.
Okay, Sunday, this matter will just drop now. Now something when we say on another day.
Not only this government been get the willingness, but my problem now people will surround them.
Okay, Sunday, this pattern when you just drop now something when we say we'll go discuss on another day because all the issues when we carry come on their own and they reach one full episode on top of as the hot
documentary.
And we won't make you give us the promise. Say if we extend the invitation to you again, you go carry waka come use your investigative sense
we'll be family
to follow us discuss this particular issue.
We'll be family.
We appreciate say you carry waka come on top of as the hot and we go shake your hand based on our tradition.
I appreciate
and all our people when they for house when call us to contribute. Those when try call but network no gree. Those when make their contribution. We appreciate all of them. When they talk about say Nigeria and our country, go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to raise our country up. Our Ogbonge visitors don't talk and say we get government now when we say they don't show willingness. But somehow those when surround them based on say some people and then they see government as office. But we as a people, 170 million strong Nigerians, if we give the government the push, we go weed out the bad people when they're there and our government go begin to do what they're supposed to do. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. Nkubi.
From you, Nkubi, bye till tomorrow.
Oga Sunday, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate that.
We appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.